Hi guys, it's Dr. Bailey again. All right, so I have this great thing to talk about today for newborns. It's really easy, it's a great tip and trick, so I want to share it with you. To get started, you'll just need a flat sheet. It can be a twin, this is fine. A towel or a blanket and a baby, hopefully anatomically correct and living. Start by taking a towel and laying it flat on a surface and rolling it lengthwise. Be sure to smooth out any crinkles. You want to either unfold the flat sheet or fold the flat sheet in half so that it is half its length and width. You then want to lay it out and smooth it out on a nice flat surface so that at least half of the area is exposed. Next, take your long rolled blanket or towel and form it into a circle, making sure that the ends meet. You may have to reposition it based on the size and length of your child. Finally, take the remaining half of the exposed flat sheet and fold it over your rolled circular towel. You're going to smooth it out so that that towel becomes a nice little border, but again, it's covered by that flat sheet. And of course, now you have a little baby nest to place your baby in as well. So guys, I hope this helps. Creating a little baby sleep nest is essential. It's easy, it's quick, and it's safe for your baby. I know that there are a lot of mobile parents now, especially we have a lot of Gen Zers and millennials who are either playing video games or doing some other things around the house. It's just a way that you can make sure that your baby can stay put and is safe. In the video, I know that I have the baby up on a couch, but that being said, you know, if you need the baby on a nice lower flat surface, that would make sense as well. And again, this is really good, I'd say more for newborns as well. Now, when your babies start turning to the side, right, at around like 3 months of age, or even before that in some cases, or rolling over, all bets are off. So this is just great to use in those first couple of months, just to make sure your baby stays put, safe, and is near you at all times. Take care. For more tips and tricks for your child's everyday health conundrums, subscribe to our YouTube channel and go to our website at www.askpeds.com.